Parking has been managed by the Roads and Transport Authority in Dubai for many years, and it's fair to say that it has made a lot of improvements to the parking management process. Services have improved, investment in technology, but we felt also it's the right time now to carve this function out of the RTA and create a company called Parkin. It has been very hectic for the last few months. We've been working very closely to carve ourselves out of the RTA and make it an independent company and prepare for this IPO. So the IPO has been thankfully very successful. It's been oversubscribed by 165 times, which is a record for the Dubai financial market. And I think this indicates the confidence I think that the investors, both retail and companies, have in the financial performance of the company leading to this point, as well as in the prospects of growth for the future. I think it also shows that there is a lot of confidence in the growth of the city of Dubai. Dubai, of course, has announced recently the D33 Economic Development Plan, as well as the Dubai Urban Plan 2040. And there are clear indications that Dubai is also on a growth trajectory. And parking is, of course, an important part, integral part, actually, of the infrastructure of the city of Dubai. So it's only natural that as Dubai grows, parking grows as well.
Indeed, especially in a city where vehicle penetration is very, very high and demand for public parking is expected to grow. Just with regards to the investor interest, where did the demand come from specifically through the book build process? Who's been buying the shares?
So the demand, I'm very happy to say, has been very balanced between international investors, local investors, prominent families, both in the UAE as well as in the region. So it has been a very diversified and balanced investor portfolio, which is always very good for us as a company. Support our growth, will support us to understand more about the needs of the different investors, different perspectives, and to be able to meet those needs. Of course, as a listed company now, it is in our top of our priorities to ensure that we achieve our promises to all our stakeholders, as well as, of course, all our investors. We will do that definitely through the continued investment in technology, especially artificial intelligence and other advanced technologies, to improve our customer experience, to improve our operational efficiency as well. And as I said, the growth of the city of Dubai is a good indication of how parking will grow going forward. We are also, as you know, we have a concession agreement with the RTA where we have exclusive rights to operate all paid parking in Dubai. But we are also working with developers in the city in order to take control of the parkings that belong to developments around the city as well.
Just with regards to the demand that we've seen, you mentioned the IPO was heavily oversubscribed. Some retail investors perhaps disappointed that they've missed out here. Do you have any more plans to perhaps issue more capital into the future? Do you intend on taking more of the business public as it grows?
So right now we've issued 24.99% of the company, 75.01% remains with the Dubai Investment Fund. At this point, we have no plans to expand that. If we do, of course, we will make announcements at the right time. Our main focus right now is on the growth of the company. As I said, building on the growth of the city of Dubai, working with private developers in order to take more control of development priorities of parkings, and of course, investing, as I said, in technology. We believe that the investment in technology and the improvements in customer experience is the way to go forward. And in the right time, potentially expanding beyond the city into the region as well.
So talk to me about those growth plans. You mentioned expanding into the region. Do you have specific target markets in mind right now for continued growth?
So in the very immediate future, the focus is on Dubai. As you said, Dubai is growing. The expectation for demand for parking is growing to the tune of about maybe 60% over the next 10 years, approximately 4.5% to 5% yearly. So that in itself is a big platform for growth in the very near future. We are also having, as I said, very promising discussions with many private developers, and we aim to announce some of those potential partnerships very soon as well during this year. We don't have any specific plans at this stage for expansion regionally, but ideally and inevitably, that will be our approach going forward. But at this stage, I think we have enough growth and enough growth plans in Dubai. And as I said, our focus is to build on the technology investments that we have done, to expand on those as well, and to improve our services going forward.